The future is always unknown, so today we speculate. On March 6, I will release this piece, Combination Block, as an NFT on Nifty Gateway. Earlier this year, I minted a secret NFT artwork. It is currently hidden on the blockchain. This is your chance to participate and learn about top creators and collectors in the space. I have given 12 seed words to 12 top crypto artists. The order of those seed words has been given to 12 collectors of those artists. Put this information together and you will have the seed word phrase to unlock a wallet with a unique one-of-one Mankind artwork. Connect this wallet to OpenSea and you will discover the artwork. If you find this artwork first and transfer it to yourself, it may be worth a lot. For comparison, there are only 2 Mankind artworks for sale on Nifty Gateway before the floor price becomes 100,000. Once this is transferred, it is like a key unlocking a reward for a collector. Combination Block will only have 2 editions minted and be a silent auction. When the hidden NFT is found and transferred, I will refund the full amount minus Nifty Gateway commission to the collector with the highest bid, and they will get to keep the artwork. The collectors will have a mental battle to become the top bidder, not knowing how others will speculate. 1 reward for the puzzle solver and 1 reward for the top collector. I will be releasing clues on my socials until this is solved, but there are many talented and smart people in this space, so it might not last long. Speculation, March 6, symbolizes how worlds colliding can give hope for a better future.